Hi, it's Gina, and I received these earplugs in exchange for an honest review, and I use them almost every night. They come in this blister pack, and you're able to keep them secure in there when you're not using them. They're made of such a pliable silicone, and this little tail at the end is exactly where you can use it to take out of the box as well as out of your ear. It comes in two different sizes, and you can tell the size of the actual plug itself, the width, the height. So it's a very distinct size difference. I use the smaller one. You can, mess around with them, put them in your ears and see which way they feel most comfortable. It was very obvious for me, but look at how pliable this is. It's not hard to believe how comfortable they are. And like I said, I use them almost nightly. They package right back in here, so whether you need to just keep them in your nightstand or pack them for a flight, they're great for snoring and other loud noises.